Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hope you guys doing well. Another day started late again. I had to go out and I just came back right now and then just started. So 8 minutes gone and the market is here. A non-farm payroll was crazy. The data came all weird. I've seen it already while I was outside. But what is the expectation? Actually, we can, if I see, like, these are the area I was thinking, like, I just marked it in the morning, but after that non-farm payroll, I didn't notice actually. So this is the 4 hours. Now we got another 22 minutes left. So I want to see how they react from this kind of area. All the things are saying that they should go up, but seriously, like it should go up. So let's say 9:30 open, they came down to take out this low. Yeah, this one. Oh my god, that long it took to open Google. I don't know what happened to my chart, man, because I just started now. I don't know why is that slow. Come on, give me my platform. So in 1 minute, I can see that there was a retracement, came to this gap where they, from here, they can go up as well. Come on, quick, man. So this was the last 15 minutes gap. I'm sorry, I'm just trying to be fast to open up my platform to trade as well. I'm just trying to check. Oh my god, it's so slow. I don't know why. Maybe I'm rushing, that's why. So I'm observing the price. So 9:30 here it opened. So this was the gap they created after the non-farm payroll. Okay. So definitely I'm watching this one. This is one of the good 1 minute non-farm payroll. Let's say I put it fast FVG. Okay. Fast FVG. No, not really. It's not fast FVG. Sorry for that. It's just 1 minute FVG. Okay. So just put it like that. So this kind of area, I want to see how they react from this kind of area, because if they want to go down, because daily I never ever think that they actually they can easily go from here, because look, breaker block, this whole thing. So they came back, they touched it here, and that's enough to take it to all-time high, because all this high they already taken. They got this high left, all these equal highs, this high left. Rate cut expectation, rate hike expectation is gone as well. So I just want to see, like, how they think actually. Today I've got work. I'm gonna just finish these things and I'm gonna just quickly go to work. It is what it is. I can't lose that much today, because normally Friday and Monday I lose money. So I have to remember these things. I want to check all the other things. My internet is crazy slow. I don't know why. Come on, give me some relief, please. Okay. Proper slow. I don't know if I can even trade today. But so 1 minute FVG is there. So this one went to trade this area. This can definitely go on the top of that, because these are all equal high. So truly speaking, I was looking for a retracement down this area, and then I'm looking for to buy. So if it doesn't, let's say, fall completely like with a crazy mood, rather than that, it's better to look for a buy. So this is that's what I'm thinking today. But they got lots of things, they left it around this area. And then the daily, I told you, do I believe the daily is matured enough? Can the daily go down more? Let me see weekly a little bit. Yeah, so weekly, monthly came down, going up. I was thinking to go down a little bit and then come to this gap. This gap already traded as well. So this monthly gap was too big. I mean, truly speaking, anything can happen, but still staying bullish should be the best option, I would say. Because daily as well, like, you know, this candle, do you think this candle will come down, and how ugly this, after going that area, how can they go down? So better to look for buys. That's what I would say. So 9:30 open, this one already confirmed, see. Uh, 43 now. So let me see 15 minutes how they're reacting. Okay. What the hell I did, I don't know. I have to go back. Let me just quickly go back. Yeah, so this one confirmed it now. So if they go up and close on the top of that, that means it's like a proper bullish to take out this high. For sure. That's what I'll think. So now, where is the fast presented gap? I have to check. This is the fast presented. So they already inverted the fast presented gap. Now the question is, are they tapping this fast presented gap and then they're going high? Or they're creating a gap and then they're going high? So this is the fast presented gap, okay? Let me see if I can find any opportunity to... should have bought this one. So tapped buy, but the problem will be stop loss. Where are you gonna put it? Let me check for a while. After I'm trying to connect my platform, it's just so slow. I don't know why, because I didn't set up my computer before. Oh, don't go away. Now they're taken out the other side. I don't know. So now I'm waiting for a retracement, because now I cannot buy it from here to like a breakout trader, do I? If they come inside this one, then we'll think about it. They're taken out this high, they're coming down. So next 15 minutes candle started and there is straightway, they're coming down. Okay, will they create a gap here? That one we need to see as well. I'm expecting either a gap or a rebalance. So I would say a rebalance or a gap. They should create a gap if they have to go up. If they're coming down and closing here, I'll sell for a while. So now, okay. Everything they're doing. Okay, let me just set up my chart. It looks like too big to me. And lots of lines, I have to just delete it. What happened? All of a sudden they are panicking. Why are you panicking, boy? So you're taking out this high and then now trying to fall. No, I don't believe you. So yeah, this one came down. I think it didn't do it did too much, I have to say. This one telling me that there could be downside as well. But all after confirmation. We need some confirmation. So this one didn't go. They came to trade down and trying to selling would be suicidal, but still I can try it because they've taken out this high and closed down. This is the order block as well. So now let me see, where is it? They created gaps. For a while, maybe I can sell it. I will see. If I sell it, I will let you know. Yeah, let it come a little bit up. That's enough. So if I sell it, I would be selling from this one, and then my stop loss has to be on the top of the rejection block. 32 points. I don't know. Yeah, 32.69. Yeah, we can try it. Why not? But I didn't take the trade yet. It's like a trade if I would take it or not. That's what I'm thinking. So this is can be another entry. But I would today is like, going up is the best things to do. If they close under this one, I'm gonna take with my real one with the stop loss will be there. If this one can be stopped out, okay, so let's little bit cover it. So how much is it? 1 to 2. Okay, perfect. So this gap we are thinking about it. So I'm just thinking this gap will hold, but as soon as they close this one, this will be our stop loss, and this should not close on the top of that. So that's what I'm thinking. Okay, so that's how I'm thinking. Let's see how they behave, because it's just from 15 minutes if I look at it, so they gone high, they shouldn't have come that much down. But this one, if I have to think as well, they actually traded this low. Will they close down here? That's the question, man. Look, it's already 39. Let me observe properly, okay, because I think I have to observe today, because it's like very they can like gyrate here, but actually truly speaking, buying is the best option. I'm selling because like I'm seeing the chart like that, but buying would be the best option. Look, this candle shouldn't have gone there, so that means I should just cancel this one, because if they had to go down, this would be the candle they should have just gone down, because what they said, there will be rate cut possibilities low. So if the rate cut possibility low is good for the equity, isn't it, for the stocks? I think I'll not. Let me get a stop out here. Okay, because they shouldn't have even crossed this one. Okay, rejection block 30, I will get a stop out. But this one looks like they're going up. This candle will be decider. I think this candle will stop me out, or they will just, do you get me? Either they will go down from this candle, or otherwise they will stop me out. That's the only thing that can happen. This one, if they don't close, another 20 seconds left, I'll just cancel these things, because there is no point of taking do you understand? Like, I might 10 points. There should have be a big down close candle. They didn't do that. So this is better, anyways, let it get a stop out. Okay, there's nothing to do. So it's just saying it want to go up. That's what I can see. So rejection block, they stop me out, and this one is gone. Now can it be a buy? But where it can go? Only thing is they didn't do a little bit of rejection underneath. So this candle came down here. Are they not gonna take down this low, 930 low? That is the only things. Or they're gonna just go. So 930 Judas swing, this low will be protected, you think? How do I know? We can anticipate it, but we cannot do nothing. So, but if they close here, sell would be on as well. It's just right now, they just what is it called? They're just, this candle should be big. I don't know why it's not going up. If they have to go up, they already did everything downside. Why they're not going up? I would prefer them to go up, because how they set up all the chart and everything, they have to be bullish. But another way is like this one taken out the high. So if they are bearish, they should not take out this high. That is another things as well. It's just 50-50 trading, buy it, sell it. I don't know which side gonna win. But for a while, maybe they could go down and then maybe they will go up. But everything said, look, this one is not good. If they had to go up, they should have be very, very, like, quick, speedy, things like that, but they're not doing it. What else is there? Cool, man. That's enough. You already traded the top of the 15 minutes gap, whatever we are thinking. If you don't go up from there, then when are you gonna go up? This candle, if the 15 minutes candle, if they fall, it will be a big bearish kind of move. Now the question is that, do I believe that they will fall? That's the question. So they came down here. If they close under, means it will just run. But if they go up, they will close down on the top of that. This one, they didn't close it on the top of that. So if they do create a continuation on the top of these, then I can trust it. But this gap is still holding. There's things I can see, but hope they don't give manipulation here. That's the only things they can do to come down to, like, let's say yesterday's price, because they left it all like this. Only problem is I don't have time. I have to go to work. Why they're not going up, not down, nothing? Just gyrating. Because this 15 minutes, they already came down and taken out this low. Now this is a swing low they can create, but will they just go down, or looks like they're gonna go down for a while? Not good, man. So yeah, daily, everything. Only thing is how the 4 hours closing. That will be the only things, like, so they're now trading this gap 930, and they're taken out the 930 low. If they have to continue, they should be fast. Ugly, isn't it? Very, very ugly. Why they're going down, we don't know. Do we? So if they close, I'll see. So they now came back to the midpoint of that gap. They closed under 930. Okay, so that means this one saying they might go down for a while. Did I like it? Not really. But do I have any choice? No. So technically speaking, let me just a little bit revise the area. What is this? This is 15 minutes. Okay, so they came to the daily area. I just marked few of the lines. I don't know, 1 hour order block. So they should practically come down to this low, at least this low, these are equal low, you know, so this gap maybe. But if they come to this gap, I don't know. I'm just observing, okay, right now, because I don't have nothing else to do. This is data low. Let's see the silver bullet, how they react from this kind of area. Feel like selling it to the data low, but is from here, how can I sell? If they didn't stop me out there, initial idea was, I mean, it was not a good idea actually. So one 15 minutes candle closed that side, they couldn't take out the high, another 15 minutes candle closing this side. Now what I can see, the next 15 minutes candle where I want to see them. This next swing high is just down this area. Let's see. So they already closed under 830. Let's see if they can give us a retracement or something. So we got 30 seconds left. Silver bullet time will start. Silver bullet, if they give us continuation, we will sell it. If they invert, I don't know. Today I'm just checking, because they created already two gaps, 1, 2. So they're inverting this gap. I'm not gonna. Let's see if they can quickly give us there, because they already traded this one. Okay. So are they gonna be continuation? I don't know. So they came down to trade under this one, and then they actually kind of, this is not a good idea. I'm saying like it's all 50-50 to me. I don't trust nothing. Just feel like to sell it from this gap, but let's say if I sell it from this gap, what's gonna happen? 830, 930, they might come back, because this gap, yeah, they just maybe not gonna do that, but they should have taken out some sort of low, because this low they came back. If they close here, there would be good way of selling as well. Let's see if they can do that, but they don't have power. If they did it, they should have done it with this candle. So we don't know. I'm watching. So watching. So if they can close under this one, then it'll be interesting. This low. But they have to close under this one maybe. Close it here. You have to close. Cannot go from rejection block, man. So bad. So yeah, so now they reach to this gap. How they gonna react from here? 39. So yesterday's opening price, let's see how they react from there, because the data low is there. So data low, will they take it? Actually, I'm so much crowded here, I don't even know what. So this one was the 15 minutes gap from yesterday, this one. So they gone high, they already reclaim it. So but They're taken out this one. This 15 minutes is not important at all anymore. Let me just save it. So this 1 hour something I put it, I've even forgot what was that. 1 hour order block. They already traded on the top of that. This one I don't need it. Only I can say that four hours, this gap is still holding, but they closed it on the top of that. Now the question is the new candle, will they continue or are they gonna come back down here and then go down? This is the things right now. So this is the silver bullet started. Oh, this one, did I not put it like a trade? Where can I target? 1 to 1 done. I don't need to think about it at all. Let it run. This one is a 830 test and they're going down. We have to see what they do. This is yesterday's opening price. This is today's opening price. So are they gonna come down? Let me see. Yes, what it did. Today whole day I didn't even check. Yes. Question will be how they will close down this candle. Looks like they're taking data low. This low is the data low. I don't have anything called data low. So they're taken. So they have taken the data low right now. Now the question is, what else they can do? From here as well, they can easily go up. I'm just watching. So let them create a gap, and if they invert. I mean, if they go down, it will be good for my long-term thesis, what I was thinking, but do I want them to go down after all this data, which is all, look, they didn't create a gap here. So there is nothing here. Look, all these things, gapless price action. So they rebalanced it. From here, if they go up as well, I don't have nothing else to do. Except if they go up this one, to get me, like even they didn't take out any swing low from here. But this low traded this one, they came down, made a wick here, and they closed down here. This is a good order block. They don't need to take out this low. From here as well, they can go up. But I'll be happy if they close there and then they create some kind of a gap, invert, then maybe you can buy it. Why I'm saying buying is just because the expectation of rate cut just gone, I think. Because the data, economic data was, I would say for the Fed is good because the weak labor market, I guess. From my understanding, okay, don't think like I'm an economist or something. Just saying like, yeah. So now what they did, they already closed down on the top of this one. So this is the order block. If they create a gap, shouldn't I buy it? Why not? Let's see. Only things, I could buy it from the, so this low, nah, there is no gap, no buy. So now this one, I'll take it as a liquidity taken. So nothing to say. They can go up from here. There was no gap anyways. This area, there was no gap. So they came to rebalance it. Now they traded this gap and now they came back. If they created a gap, I could have think about it, but now I'm not thinking about it anymore. So this coming up, if they now close there will be continuation. So they've taken out this high. Now will they close down there? Let them close. If they go down, I don't mind, I love it. But what I was trying to show you is like, let me see if what is their situation right now. So it was 50-50 before, like look here. So now what happened? It's got 55.9%, 55.9%, 44%. Still there are chances, but it was 50-50 before. Little bit earlier it was 60 something. So I mean, we are watching. Let's see. It depends on how they're thinking. Let me see other things. We have to check always you have to check the 30 years bond as well. 30-year bonds again went up to 5.2. It was like 5.18. Still gone down from yesterday. 2 years gone down as well. 1 year gone down. All depending on this one. Let's see. This one look like it's got more leg to go down. But that's what I'm saying, like, this one didn't need to go down anymore because this one traded nicely, efficiently, everything, they did it. Look, this candle they closed down, they came back to trade this one. I know in pre-market, so this is pre-market low, 6 o'clock. They traded on the top of this order block opening price. And then they came down a little bit and then they closed all the way down. So this candle was, they came down and then this candle closed down on the top. So this one was a very good kind of order block. All these things, let's say. So now they came here, they don't need to take look, this candle came back, but they never took out this low. So this is a protected low. They don't need to take out anything. So now they've taken out this low. They can easily go, if they are bullish, they have to go back. They should go back. No, they should not go back. Sorry for that. My long-term expectation is to go down. But if they go up because the situation change, I would not mind. So yeah, they're trying to go down. So will I cry for that? Not really. If they go down, we'll see how they go down. Let me try to find out some other area what I'm thinking. So they're gonna close down there. So then selling is very, selling was alright, but they came here to trade this gap. And then after that, they're falling. They're gonna create an order block here. So yeah, they're already creating it. No idea, man, what's going on. What was this even? I have to take out some of the lots of things I put it. What I don't need it anymore. This one I don't need it. This one I don't need it. Maybe 15 minutes. What is this one even? So they came back, this one going down like that. No idea how they're gonna do that to this one to go down, how the daily candle will look like. I'm seriously still looking for, I would say, like short term. So today's opening price is here. Lots of things will happen, like let's see how they react from this kind of area, because 1 hour is not ready. Okay, 1 hour I don't want to care. I want to see 15 minutes. 15 minutes they they take out this low. So now the question is, I need to see 1 minute any kind of confirmation to they want to go up. They need to give me inversion or something like that, because if I still want to see them going up, if the data is correct, actually, I mean, they should go up. They should do some kind of inversion or something like that, you know. So this gap we have to watch, this little gap. So they came to yesterday's opening price. Now they closed down here. So this one became an order block. If I take it as order block because it's 15 minutes. So, you know, lots of time this kind of trade work, but this is 15 minutes. Okay, perfect, no problem. 15 minutes candle is closing within 30 seconds. Do you think this one need to close down back inside? Otherwise they are bearish, I have to say. If they close here, means this this one opening price of these things will be already bearish. These are up close candle after 8:30. They went there, they closed down under the 8:30. So now this is, they don't need to even come down because they already traded the order block. They will just fall. Watching. Nothing we can do about it. They confirmed 15 minutes order block, this one. So now is 10:15. I cannot sell it from here because it's like gonna be too much risky to sell it. What is my target? Only 2 days low I can target. 2 days low, if I just go there, yeah, this is actually a nice equal low, but it's far away because look at this. So now they inverted kind of. So they didn't take out this low at all. Remember, I was telling like if this one is a order block, so this one they didn't take out. Different day they do different things, you know. So now they closed it back again. Do I believe that this is a, so only things I can see here is, are they immediately rebalancing it, or, so this is the immediate rebalance, so there is no 15 minutes gap, okay, or they were supposed to create a gap, they didn't create a gap, so now they came to rebalance it. So what I'm thinking, they don't want to create a gap here, but they taken out this low and now they trying to be bullish. Can it possible? Yes, it's possible. You know why? Because this candle I didn't see anything to take. If this one was taken out liquidity and closed it here, I would have trusted this one, but this one I cannot trust it. Why? Because I need more confirmation from 1 hour or something, but 1 hour just swept it this low. Now they created gap. You know what I'm gonna do? Shouldn't I buy it to target like this kind of high, you know? Let's see if they can give us an opportunity. But do you understand when I said, you know, there I would like to buy? Because if this one is an order block, if I bought it when they coming down, I should think that this low will be protected. So yeah, this was the thing. So they never took out, see, just bang, buy. If I go to 15-second as well, let me see what they created. Look, they already did an inversion of this one. So if they inverted and this is the gap, came to 50%. Look, so this gap 50%. Look, they didn't even close it. So gone down, up. I mean, I don't know. This is a short-term trading. Okay, I don't know. I'm just practicing. Okay, so just don't think that I know everything. If I could buy it from here, I would buy it actually. So let's say if we long did this one, where should be my stop loss? Definitely on the under the second one. Okay, but they can easily come to test this one. Actually, I would not out trade until 50% of that. Let's say this one. So can I get 1-to-1 these gaps, all these things? I mean, I can just close my eyes and buy. Yeah, look, already 27. This is the what 1 minute, that gap after the what is it, after the news. So what is this? This is a 2.9. So now they already closed the 50% of that gap. What the hell is this gap? I don't even know. This one was supposed to be this gap. I don't know what gap was that, but we'll try to see if they can close on the top of that. Okay, they didn't close, so now still they went there, so they came to test the 9:30 open. So 15 minutes created an order block. Why is not respecting? Because this one didn't close on the top of that. So now I'm observing. So this high we are checking. Okay, so it's 19 pass 10:19. I have to go back to work. I don't know when I'm gonna get ready. So already, what time is it? Let me check the timing. I have to go. So yeah, this one 100% break even now. There is no way it will come back. So they've taken out this high. I should actually come out here. So that would be done for the day. But I'm just targeting. I don't know why. So if I was actually, I would have definitely come out here. This area, let's say. But now will they continue? So the idea was just 1 hour sweep. Inversion could have entered from there as well. So this one I entered it. Let's see if they can hit us. Just here. 95 points. Okay. So that was the target. They're gonna struggle here. 9:30 price a little bit. We have to see that if they can close it on the top of that. Then definitely next candle, what is our target was? 42. 42 normally they hit. They could come down here, then maybe they will not do that. Both of the candles they closed on the top of the 9:30. So this candle should hit it. I don't know why they're not doing it. Ooh, because this high is a significant high. If they're bearish, actually from here they can get bearish as well. But am I bearish? No. I think what they did, this one should be a hit. Oh, you can say I could get a stop out maybe. Even 66 points is enough, man. But this one should go to hit those area. This low is low hanging fruit target. 42. If this candle close, maybe the next candle can hit it. I don't know. So this one didn't sweep the top. Okay, so that's the funny part. So that means retracement can possible. It could be possible. Because I have to go. That's why I'm rushing. I might even close this one and then just go. Because they retrace, then they go back. Do I have time for that? There are 2-3 gaps. Okay. Anyways, I'll leave it like that, and then I'm just because I have to go to work. But if I was you, I would have come out on this on the top of this 930. But this one got very good opportunity to go up as well. So this 1 hour, this one didn't invert. So that means this one can be a sweep of this low. And now they closing it, they can easily go up. That's what I'm saying. Yeah, I missed the buy actually. Still possible. I mean, because if they close on the top of that, then you can still like go on the top of this one, you know, everything is possible. They have to close like on the top of this one. Then they traded both of the gap. They should not stop if they want to go up. Don't say they will come back, you know, test at this area and then they will go back. They can do that. They did it lots of time. But this one, if they close on the top of that, that would be the fun. Then the run will start. Are they closing? Yeah, they're going high. Let's see if they can close. Yes, they closed. Yes, they hit our target, man. They just did it here. See? So they hit our target. This is the low-hanging fruit target, done. The next target can be here as well. But this one done already. Yeah? Do you understand? So how beautiful is it to stay in low-hanging fruit target? So what did I earn? 94 points. Should I not trade like that? Next time I should. All the time I should. Okay. So today I think I'm done. You have a nice time and I'll talk to you again on Monday. And then until that, because I have to go to work, I have to just get ready. Normally I stay a little bit longer, but I have to go today because one of my colleagues is sick. So I have to cover some of the hours. So now they will come down, they will do some kind of things, but ultimately you already know what I was expecting, you know. I was expecting it to lower price. If they go down as well, I don't mind. But we'll talk about these things from next week. Next week, I'll try to do better than this, okay? So like, let's see how we go, okay? You take care by this time and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye. Have a nice time.